Thank you, ma'am. Just wait for my call after an hour.
I'll wait for your call then.
Sige po. See you later. Talk to you later. Bye. Ay, avail! At dahil sobrang avail, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano maghanap ng trabaho gamit ang Job Yoda app. First, download Job Yoda app sa inyong mobile phone. Second, create your profile and use our referral code #BayaniKuya. And third, search for jobs. Huwag mo palang kalimutang i-utilize ang filters para maswak at pasok sa criteria mo ang magiging results once you hit search. At last, hanapin mo na ang company na bet mo. Tapos, mag-apply ka na. Pwede kang magpa-instant screening, actual job interview, at mag-job offer nang hindi umaalis ng bahay. Kaya, download the Job Yoda app na.
Beverly, kanina ka pa may call waiting. Hindi mo sinasagot.